If you are planning to paint your kitchen cabinet sage green in 2027, stop. That pale, minty sage we've seen everywhere for years, it's starting to feel overdone. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 exact green cabinet colors set to explode in 2027, how to style every single one of them, and the fatal mistakes to avoid so your kitchen doesn't look dated before it's even installed. First up is Benjamin Moore Wethersfield Moss. If you've been dreaming of that cozy English cottage look, this paint is your absolute secret weapon. It's a true muddy olive with warm yellow-brown undertones. Instead of feeling trendy, it has the depth and character of a color you might see in a historic home. To style this perfectly, we are leaning completely into a cozy, handmade look. Pair Wethersfield moss with rustic aged iron or oil-rubbed bronze hardware. For countertops, go with a warm cherry wood butcher block to bring out those rich, earthy tones. Match that with organic, textured terracotta backsplash tiles. And please, skip the stark white wall paint. Instead, wrap your kitchen in a warm, buttery backdrop white like Benjamin Moore Swiss coffee. But here is the fatal mistake that absolutely ruins this paint. Lighting color temperature. Wethersfield moss is a total chameleon. Under cool light, it may look flat and gray. Under very warm light, it can turn muddy and too yellow. The sweet spot is 3000 K. It keeps the green warm, rich, and balanced. At number 2 is Taiga by Sherwin-Williams. If the previous color was warm and earthy, Taiga takes green in a cooler direction. Its name comes from the pine northern forests. The gray and soft blue undertones give it a cool, slightly misty appearance. Taiga works especially well in Japandi kitchens, where its cool gray-green is balanced by pale oak, simple cabinet fronts, and warm white stone. Use matte black hardware for a sharper Nordic look, or dark bronze for a softer Japandi finish. For the countertop, choose a light gray quartz with a concrete look. Use off-white subway tiles stacked vertically for the backsplash, and Sherwin-Williams pure white on the walls. These lighter finishes balance the darker cabinets and keep the kitchen feeling open. The mistake you can make with this color is adding too many yellow or orange undertones. Honey oak floors and yellow-based walls can make the whole kitchen feel off. At number 3 is Jadite by Sherwin-Williams. After 2 softer, more muted greens, Jadite brings in a stronger mineral color. It has an LRV of 20, so it will look best in a kitchen with good natural light. This shade fits a mid-century modern kitchen, especially on simple slab-front cabinets. Pair it with walnut accents. The reddish-brown tones and walnut balance Jadite's cooler green and make the color look richer. Add warm terrazzo or calicotta countertops and champagne gold hardware. Avoid cool gray flooring and stark blue-white tiles. They can make Jadite look harsher and leave the kitchen feeling cold. At number 4 is Secret Garden by Sherwin-Williams, and this is where we move into the deepest end of the green spectrum. In 2027, ultra-dark greens are officially replacing navy blue and black as the ultimate luxury anchor color. With an incredibly low LRV of just 8, Secret Garden is a true shadow color. It's a deep, dramatic botanical forest green infused with warm bronze. It brings instant high-end luxury to modern organic kitchens. With a paint this dark, contrast is very important. You want to frame Secret Garden with high-shine polished brass hardware that pops against the dark cabinets. Pair it with dark, honed soapstone or heavily veined white marble. For the surrounding walls, balance the moodiness with a soft, warm, off-white like Sherwin-Williams Shoji White to keep the space from feeling too heavy. The biggest mistake with Secret Garden is relying only on overhead lighting. With an LRV this low, the cabinets absorb a lot of light, especially around the work surfaces, so you need under-cabinet task lighting. Not only will it light up your workspace, but it will also highlight those gorgeous, warm bronze undertones hidden in the paint. Our 5th and final 27 trend color is for anyone who wants their kitchen to look like a custom, century-old estate, Sherwin-Williams Roycroft Bronze Green. Sitting at an LRV of 9, it's a deep, earthy chameleon that sits perfectly between deep forest green, dark moss, and earthy bronze. Roycroft Bronze Green is a natural fit for an updated craftsman kitchen. Add medium to dark stained oak or chestnut on the island, range hood or open shelving to connect the green with the style's focus on natural wood. Use antique copper or raw iron hardware to complete that historic handmade look. For countertops, choose a warm, elegant quartzite like Taj Mahal, which highlights the bronze undertones of the paint. Want to see which other colors will be important next year? Watch this video next for the biggest 2027 color predictions.